Hey, art lovers! Welcome to a new era of creativity. Get ready to have your minds blown because AI is shaking up the art world like never before. We're not just talking about Instagram filters or simple digital edits. Imagine algorithms creating jaw-dropping masterpieces that rival human creativity. For centuries, creativity was a human thing, a deeply personal expression. Now, AI is showing machines can be artistic geniuses too, blending technology with imagination. They're not replacing human artists, but bringing new tools and ideas to the party, enhancing the creative process. Remember when digital art first came out? It was revolutionary. Some said it wasn't real art. Look at it now, everywhere, embraced by artists and audiences alike. AI art is pushing boundaries, sparking debates, and redefining what we consider art. From generating stunning paintings to creating immersive virtual reality experiences, AI is adding a new dimension to creativity. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey. We're diving into the world of AI art, exploring the technology, the ethics, and so much more. By the end, you'll see AI as the most exciting thing to happen to art ever, a true game changer. Get ready to be amazed and inspired by the future of art. AI art might seem sci-fi, but technology and art have always been intertwined. Remember the camera? Painters feared it would end art, but it inspired new styles like Impressionism. Technology gave art a makeover. Fast forward to computers, and artists had new digital tools for graphics, animation, and interactive art. Now, AI is pushing artists to think outside the canvas. It's challenging our definition of creativity and opening new artistic possibilities. So next time someone says AI art isn't real, remind them art and technology have been BFFs forever. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how artificial intelligence creates art. How does AI make art? It starts with algorithms, the fundamental building blocks of AI. These algorithms are trained on massive data sets of images, learning from each one. The AI uses this knowledge to create unique pieces, much like a child drawing a cat after seeing a million cat pictures. AI has secret weapons like GANs, or generative adversarial networks. One network generates images, while the other critiques them, pushing for better and more refined results. This back-and-forth process results in impressive and often stunning artwork. AI also uses deep learning, a method where it teaches itself to improve over time through experience. The more data it's fed, the more intricate and mind-blowing its creations become.